All right, everybody. Hey, listen, we got a special guest this morning. Kind of feel like family because everybody from down that way. He's a native of Beaumont, Texas, but he now lives in L.A., and he's got a flourishing career as a model, actor, recording artist. Now, when he found out that he was spending most of his time in front of a camera, he wanted to take better care of his specific skincare needs, which that led him to formulate his own product line called Buttah, Buttah. And as the CEO of Buttah, his mission is to give melanin-rich skin the attention it deserves. That's a code word for black. And let's find out more. Let's find out more about Buttah. Please welcome to the show the fabulous Dorion Renaud.
Good morning. Welcome.
Good morning. It's a big honor to be here this morning.
Well, thank you, Dorion. Thank you so much. And congratulations. This is phenomenal what you've done. We love the products. We definitely love the products.
I'm using it. I've been using it.
Thank you.
Yes. On our this whipped butter, this whipped body butter.
Yeah.
You got
We
my
have so
bald
many other
head just,
products.
yes, sir.
Hey, I'm
And
33
those
and I got a bald head too, so I needed it as well, man. So you ain't the only one.
So let's talk about the Buttah products, Dorion. They are based around raw, natural, and organic shea and specifically formulated for melanin-rich skin. What inspired you to do the Buttah line specifically for our skin?
Well, I mean, I'm from Beaumont, Texas, small town, and I grew up near Louisiana, grew up near Houston, and I mean, I would say the inspiration came from seeing the beautiful black and brown faces around me. My dad had a barbershop, shoe shop. He was an entrepreneur, still is, and I saw him making people feel good, whether they were going to a funeral, whether they were going to a wedding. You had to come in and get that self-care at a young age, and I realized that. And I had problematic skin growing up. I mean, I'm talking about dark spots, hyperpigmentation, acne, anything you could think of. And as I entered into the entertainment industry, in front of the camera, I realized, I didn't quite look like myself like I did on television, I would say. And so, it started from a little bit of vainness, but then, a lot of people started reaching out to me after I really found some shea butter on the streets of New York modeling, and I mixed that with a gentle cleanser and a vitamin C serum and started working for me. And so, I found that people, especially black men, black women, were embarrassed, and they were asking me in my DMs or in person, hey, what do you use for your skin? I'm really struggling with it. And so, I brought my formula and my routine to the streets about 3 years ago, and now we've grown into over 25 products over just a short amount of time because of the support and really the education that we provide.
Well, you done helped a lot of ashy people, because there's some ashy
I
people
have.
out there.
Hang on. Tommy, crazy. All right, Dorion, hang on. We'll be right back, okay?
Okay.
Right after this.
You're listening to the Steve Harvey Morning Show.
We are back with our very special guest, Dorion Renaud, owner and CEO of Buttah. That's Buttah. It is a skin line for melanin-rich skin. That's for black and brown people. He's our special guest this morning, and we just love your products. We want to say that my favorite is the whipped butter. That's my personal favorite.
Oh, yeah. You go into these stores, a lot of times you spend a lot of money on these products, and you look at commercials, and, up until now, you didn't really see much representation of us. And, I try to provide education so that people with melanin-rich skin know how to take care of their skin, and that it's the ingredients and the products that really, work for us. And so, the community and everybody that really has supported Buttah in such a short amount of time is what's really made it successful. But the inspiration always comes from home and the heart of being a black man and seeing my beautiful black mother and, all of the different shades of black growing up in the South.
Okay, well, I love seeing men with beautiful skin as well. And we got to commend you, Dorion, on the success of your line. You own it. You operate it. It's a black-owned business. It employs black women, I was happy to see, in executive-level positions. Wow.
Absolutely. It's important. I mean, I see beauty through my eyes, but it's important to have black women around me to understand beauty through their lenses. And so I have an all black female executive team who's around me. And everybody out in my factory in Florida, you know, is multicultural. And so it's important to have women involved because, you know, as a man, you know, you look at a woman's skin and I don't know the struggles you go through. I don't know what, you know, what makeup does to your skin. So I had to do my research. I had to get in the lab. I had to listen to my sisters, my brothers, and see what they needed. And that's why I did Buttah, and that's why we continue creating products, you know, that pretty much the audience asks for.
And to the Steve Harvey Nation, we're doing a Buttah sweepstakes. Yeah, you can enter for a chance to win a grand prize shopping spree with a $2,500 Macy's gift card or one of 10 first prizes of a Buttah 3-piece customizable kit. Buttah products are designed to gently cleanse, brighten, and moisturize skin daily and formulated especially for melanin-rich complexions and all skin types. You can enter and get the rules at steveharveyfm.com. Everyone needs a little Buttah, baby, right, Dorion?
That's right, man. You know, you like Steve said, you cannot be ashy. And I know a lot of us black people associate dry skin with the word ashy.
That was Tommy Dorion.
That was Tommy Dorion.
I'm sorry, Tom. Sorry, Tommy. How you doing,
It's
Tommy?
all right. It's a lot of ashy kids out there, Dorian.
But you know, we want to. You know, that's a word that's true to our culture. You know what I mean? And that's one thing that we try to avoid. Is how with body butter is amazing because it's imported directly from Ghana. So it's just the real stuff, and we whip it down. It has our amazing cocoa shea scent to it, so it's not too heavy. You know, it still smells light. You could put it on from head to toe. I put it on my bald head. I put it on my body, on my face. And, yeah, it's amazing. It's one of our top sellers, and people really love it. But I think shea butter goes back to us. You know, we grew up watching our grandmothers using Vaseline and thick products. And so when I thought about, you know, something for our body, I wanted something thick that would give us that glow and then not have us ashy all day.
Shirley, now I love the vitamin C serum. I love that. It's brightening, it hydrates, and I love the cocoa shea revitalizing cream. So we love your products. Love us some Buttah, baby.
Yeah, everything from top to bottom. The packaging, everything is just top notch. Beautiful.
Fire.
Yeah, you know, it's pleasing to the eyes and to the body. Yeah, it's like Buttah, baby. It is. Check the box. So, Dorion, continued success to you in your career as an actor, a musician, and all the things that you do, and especially as CEO of Buttah. Thank you so much, all right?
Thank you guys for
Get
having
all
me.
the information you need on Buttah at steveharveyfm.com. Dorion, please don't be a stranger.
I won't be, y'all. And I'm going to keep sending y'all some butter so y'all won't be ashy.
Appreciate it.
Okay?
Great products, though, brother.
All right. Coming up next, it is the nephew and the prank phone call right after this.
You're listening to the Steve Harvey Morning Show.